the new 200S. Bought it for $200. Sold the poor oldie land, but I was gonna have to I'll probably break on this next winter. But yeah, this thing cut the plastics pretty short because I don't know, just kind of rushed it and top jobbed it. But it's good for parts. It runs, smokes like crazy. Recoil's all good on it. It's got some decked out rims, not really, but you know. Yeah, it's got the motor's all good. It just smokes. I don't know what's wrong with it yet. What's weird on this one is it turns 800 RPM less than mine does. On the little emission control sticker up here, if you can read it, it's a little blurry. It says it turns 5.8 RPM, and on mine, mine final RPM is 6,600 RPM, which I don't know if they restricted the pipe more on this one, but I know mine's a newer model than that. But she's a beater, but you know, not bad for $200. Me and my dad put her on that. I'll start it up and watch the smoke cloud be. Starts right up, put some water in it and stuff, put some oil. Yeah, there comes the smoke. Oh boy. Smoke fest. Woo. More smoke over there. Mine on the back, brand new front tire, so if I ever want new tires, they're right there. Mine are pretty worn compared to those, pretty flatter than crap, so yeah,